Many people want to earn passive income nowadays, and they do everything for it. But most of the people fails within 1 to 2 months. It's not because they are lazy, but the main problem is most of the time they get wrong information about passive income from these influencers and YouTubers. These people sell passive income like it's something magic from which you can earn money in your sleep without doing any effort. But this is the worst advice someone can give to a beginner. Because I was also one of those beginners who followed those advice and I end up wasting so much of my time and effort on it. That's why I really want to show you the reality of the passive income of what it actually looks like. So you don't waste your time and effort on it. Here's how passive income looks like. Let's say you know a lot more about weight loss. And to earn from this knowledge, you can write an ebook, create a workout guide, or you can create a course that will help other people to lose weight. You create it once and people can buy it forever. That's how passive income looks from the surface level. But beneath it, it hides most important part, which is selling. You need to create videos of that product to make people aware of it. Then once they will see it, they will be interested in your topic that how you lose your weight and they will want the same result. That's why they will purchase your course and have to promote that product every single time in order to earn from it. And that's the main game which no one talks about. If you stop promoting it, your old videos can drive few traffics, but after some time, those videos will also die. So it is not complete passive. Create it once, but you need to promote it every time to get sales from it. That's how every side sales work, like print on demand, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, digital product, courses, etc. And you may be thinking, if these side hustles are that easy, why do so many people quit on these side hustles after some time? So the biggest reason of failure of any side hustle is not laziness. It's usually one or more of these reasons. The first one is unrealistic expectations. Now those unrealistic expectations that you can earn 10K a month just by selling digital product and do this side hustle and you can earn this much amount in short period of time. These expectations are set by these creators who claim that you can start earning within 1 to 2 months just by doing bare minimum effort. And you have already seen it out there. I earned 1 lakh rupees from Pinterest. I earned 50,000 rupees just by doing some lazy side hustles. They make these type of videos and reels just to get views and attention and to promote a particular product. That's it. And there are very few creators who show the reality. But majority of the people are just misguiding you and me. They are not earning from that side hustle, but they are earning from that video or reel they have made. So the faster you understand this, that nothing is easy here, you have to at least spend 6 to 7 months to see some progress on is that salsa is even working or not. And that's the reality. So lower your expectations. Next is chasing the hype and lack of patience. You saw one person on internet earning from dropshipping and you started doing it. Then you saw someone else earning from digital product in less time. You again jumped on it. And then freelancing. And this loop continues. You are not following that sensor. You are following the hype which was created by others without having the patience to work on one side hustle. I am not saying to keep struggling in one side hustle for years without any result, but you need to give at least 4 to 5 months to see if the side hustle is working or not. If you don't like your side hustle for any valid reason, then you can skip it. I also did that. I've had many side hustles and I kept changing it for some obvious reasons like for money, audience, strong information, etc. Next one is no real skill and system. I don't need to explain this much. Without any side hustle or proper system, you can't survive. But if you don't have any skills, that's completely okay. No one is born with the skills of video editing, marketing, graphic designing, content creation. So chill, you are just starting out. Before worrying about money, your first work should be to build a skill set. No rocket science in it. If you want any degree, you need to first learn that subject for at least 2 years. Then after you will get result for it. So learn some skill and build a system for yourself. Lastly, relying too much on platform that you don't control. I've seen many creators who build their career for years on the platforms like Instagram and other. But one mistake can ruin their years of hard work. As you're just a beginner, I still want you to be aware of these things. You're just starting out, you can rely on the platform, but not for a long period of time. Always try to diversify your income sources. Like content creators have different income streams. Their affiliate link, brand, sponsorship, their ad revenue, digital product. Don't worry about it right now, but still have this in your mind. For now, your only work is to pick one skill, work on it for at least 4 to 5 months, If you see some result, you can do it or even can change it. With this clarity in your mind that nothing will happen overnight or within days or within months, many successful people who are earning money online right now have spent their 3 to 4 years in this field to get successful. So take this as a lesson. These may sound obvious to you, but these are the main reason people keep failing in online money. And we keep working consistently with patience by fixing these problems. You can also earn money online. I'm sharing this knowledge from me because I have done it, so I know about it. And if you want more honest and real experience value, subscribe to the channel and also like if you learned something from this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.